Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 6s Plus and replace camera module. What tools do you need for disassembling iPhone 6s Plus? Screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup, tweezers and opening plastic tool. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the connector for charging. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for opening it. Apply a suction cup near home button and pull up on the ring of suction cup. Using a plastic opening tool, separate the display from the iPhone case. Gently and evenly separate the both sides. Open the display by lifting it up. Remove two screws, securing the battery connector bracket on the motherboard. Use the plastic tool for disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Unscrew that 5 screws and remove the bracket. Next, disconnect 3 cables from the logic board. Disconnect the camera cable. Unscrew that 3 screws. And remove the bracket that holds the camera. Please note, to this bracket is attached that Bluetooth antenna. Gently pry the camera out from this housing. In description of this video I leave links where you can buy new camera. Set the camera in the case and connect the cable to the motherboard. First, install the Bluetooth antenna and then install the bracket on the top. Next, fasten 3 screws. Remove the old glue from the iPhone case. Now take adhesive tape and apply it to the case of iPhone. Also, I'll leave links to this adhesive tape in description. Set the display and connect 3 cables, then connect the battery cable. Set the metal bracket on the cable and securing that 1 screw in the middle. After, fasten remaining 4 screws. Now set the metal bracket on the battery cable and fasten 2 screws. Fasten 2 screws near the lighting port. Now we can turn on the iPhone and use it.